Lansing Center, 15 Ridge Road, Unit C, Commercial. This bright 1,200 square foot retail commercial space faces busy Ridge Road, Route 34B, just 500 feet from one of the busiest intersections in Lansing, New York. With excellent parking and access in a high visibility area, this unit is a great opportunity to start a new business or upgrade an existing one. The floor plan includes a front showroom and retail area with a walk-in room area but can be modified to fit the proposed use. There is a back room for an office or storage area as well as a private bathroom. This newly constructed unit is air-conditioned, connected to municipal water, and has all utilities metered separately. This Lansing Center unit is professionally managed and locally owned.